Good morning, first graders, and happy Tuesday. I hope you had a wonderful day of learning yesterday and playing. I am here to share a lot of things. I'm here to share our message of the day. I'm going to share your to-dos for today. I'm going to teach you something new on Seesaw. And we have our 3 clues for who our star student of the week is going to be. So it's an exciting morning message. But before we start, I would like to do the elevator greeting for you. So I'm going to get my hands ready. If you can get your hands ready, and let's meet at the top. Ready? Ding, 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 ding. Good morning. Oh, I miss you so much. I saw some incredible work yesterday, and I am so proud of you. I know so many friends loved your drawing conclusions where you got to find the clues. So how fun is that? All right. We are going to share our morning message. So, as always, you can read along right with me. Here we go. Hello, firsties. Today is Tuesday, May 19th, 2020. I heard a lot of friends loved the clues used to help guess for your drawing conclusions activity yesterday. Today, you will create your own clues and post your work to the class blog on Seesaw if you want, so others can see your work and guess what is in your bag. So you're going to do an activity where you get to come up with clues, and Miss Field will show you where to post it. And we're going to start something new today called the class blog. So others can see your work, you can see other friends' work, and you can take guesses on what you think is in their bag. You will also write in your memory book for letters I and J. Have fun, and as always, of course, be kind. Love, Miss Field. All right, friends, here are your to-dos for today. So, just like Miss Field talked about, for literacy, your job on Seesaw is called What's in My Bag, and Miss Field will show you where to post in the blog. For your memory book today, you are going to be writing for letters I and J. You have an OI and OY poem, and remember that all of those words say oi. You are going to be showing Miss Field what you remember about telling time for math, and you're going to be watching a Brain Pop video on adding and subtracting tens, and there's a new riddle of the day. Remember, there's 2 pages, so if you get it sent back to you, make sure that you do the second page as well. All right, friends, Miss Field wants to show you something new for your literacy job. So just your literacy job today on Seesaw, this is what we're going to do until you hear more information from Miss Field if we should post other things to the blog. So when you go on to Seesaw and you are ready to share your What's in My Bag post, remember you go to add response like normal. Here's Miss Field's version, okay? Let's pretend that Miss Field has posted my response, and here it is. Here's what it looks like when I post it. Now, there's going to be a new little button right here that looks like a globe or a circle with lines in it. You're going to click on that, and it's going to bring you to this page here that says Publish this item to the blog, and you want to hit the green button. And then your work is at the blog, and you might go, well, I want to see my other friends' work too. So when you are on the main screen on Seesaw, there's going to be that same little icon that says blog. And if you click on that, you will be able to see other friends' work. You can comment, you can like it. But remember, here's what Miss Field said. You can comment, but remember to be appropriate. Use kind words, share compliments, okay? You don't need to do a million exclamation marks after something, but tell them something nice about their work. You can take a guess on what you think is in their bag, okay? So that's how you do the blog. And remember, you don't have to, but this is a cool way to see your friends' work, because on the normal journal, we can't see what everybody else is doing. So have fun with that today. All right. Really quick, we have a new star student of the week, and I'm here to present our 3 new clues for that star student. So here are the 3 clues. Number 1, this star student is very artistic. So this student loves to draw, loves to create things, can draw things even better than Miss Field ever could. This person is very artistic. The second clue is that this friend has 2 brothers and 1 sister. So 3 siblings. Think about who has 3 siblings. And the third clue for a star student today is that this friend really enjoys biking and science. So this friend really likes to go on bike rides, and this friend really likes to do things that involve science. If you would like to take a vote or take a guess on who you think it is, share in the comments maybe who you think it is, and we will find out tomorrow. So remember, friends, one new thing is that class blog for your literacy job today. So remember, once your work is already posted, then you can go down to the little icon, publish to blog, and then if you click on the icon again, you can see everybody's work. I hope you have a wonderful day today learning and playing, and I will see you later. Goodbye, friends. Have a wonderful day.